is just go. This way, down, 1, 2. Nice, easy, that's it. Yeah, step. Yes. There we go. This one, just go. Cover up these areas, yeah. Right, there it is. Oops. And let's see. Dark. Go. Just do dark. This. Okay, so working on the foreground like this a little bit. Some reaction. And your own interpretation, of course. That's what we're trying to do here. Alright, so let me see. Okay, here we are. This is the final finished piece for you. I hope you guys like this artwork as much as I enjoy painting them for you, and I hope to see you guys again for another exciting